list of all possibilities we can print this job. This powerful multi-step optimizer finds out every possibility and generates a complete chart with a diagram and sort the list on wastage. Let's look at second possibilities. Here we can take the job smaller spreadsheet with 4 arcs printing. Similarly, we can see all possibilities with the respective layouts being shown at bottom. Let's browse through the various possibilities to have a feel of it. Now let's go back and select the desired layout with the machine and the paper size on which we desire to take the job. Let's define the paper name. GSM. Rate of the paper. Let's select the processing. What we see on the left side is our predefined rate cards. On the right side is our estimate processing. What we just have to do is simply drag and drop the applicable items from the left to the right. That's it. We proceed ahead to plate making. In the similar fashions, we have the rates cards on the left and the right is estimates. We drag and drop desired plates. The system automatically calculates the number of plates required for the job. Let's save the current section and go back to the estimate. Let's select the new section. For inner, 80 pages. Size and color 1+1. 20 final sheets will make 80 pages. Let's proceed to the optimizer and see the layout. We will leave this parameter as it is and proceed for the various printing combination. We select the desired machine and layout and select that combination to print. We enter the name of paper for inner 80 pages and the GSM for the inner and the rate of paper. Now again, let's proceed to define the processing for the inner. Let's drag and drop the one color positive from the rate cards to the current estimate. Now let's select the plates for the inner section. Just drag and drop the desired plates into the current estimates. Note that the plates required for inner are calculated automatically. Now let's save the inner section and go back to the estimate screen. Let's define the fabrication for the job. We will select creasing. Drag and drop cutting. And binding. Based on the definition of these fabrication head, the system automatically calculates the charges for the selected fabrication process. We have now completed the entry for the estimate. Let's save the estimate. If we need the estimate for any difference quantity as entered before, then we can enter the desired quantity and like a breeze, the estimate for new quantity will be calculated automatically. On this just one screen, we can select any quantity and see the details working of the estimate section wise in the window below. Let's see the details of working of the inner. We have 80 pages, that is 20 final cut sheets, and selected a layout with 4 ups. In the form's details, 5 sets of the forms will be required to cover 20 sheets. The system automatically found out that the self-back is not required for the inner section. Detailed calculations are shown in the chart below. For example, press sheets required, wastage sheet required, impression per plates, total impression, number of plates, extra plates if any, and the prints rates automatically picked up from the press rate cards based on the number of impression. This shown in the inside of complete working of the section. Let's now have a look